So, hi Nagesh,
Hi, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm also good. So, let me introduce first. We both are the panel for today's interview, me and Rahul sir. Okay?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. So,
Hello, Rahul, sir.
can you?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. So, before proceeding to the interview, can you just tell me about yourself?
Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Nagesh Gaikwad. I am from Aurangabad. I did my BTech from MIT Aurangabad in 2020. After that, I worked as a UI developer for approximate 1.5 years. After that, from last 6 months, I work as a Angular developer. In the experience of 2 years, I work on HTML, HTML5, CSS, CSS3, JavaScript, SAS, Bootstrap, and Angular. That's it, sir.
Okay. So, tell me, why are you leaving your current organization?
Sir, there is no progress. That's why I want to switch.
Okay. So, how much do you rate yourself in UI?
Sir, 4.
Okay. 4 from 10.
No, sir. From 5.
Okay. So why are you rating that much yourself? Because that is any yes.
Sir, because of I work on a UI from 1.5 years. In between them, I know how I use my knowledge, how I develop codes.
So fine. Rahul sir, do you have any personal questions?
No, Rishi.
Okay. So we'll start with the technical and Rahul sir will start with the UI questions. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Tell me what is the attributes?
Attributes. Attributes means it gives some meta information to the browser.
Okay. What is the purpose of doc type?
Doc types are doc type is a declaration which is including HTML5 who gives information to browser about types of document our.
Okay, good. What is the key difference between HTML elements and tags?
Sir, HTML elements and tag. HTML tags are start and end element tag, and HTML element content start tag, end tag, and content.
Okay. What is the box sizing?
Box sizing is the property, sir. When we have to calculate height and width
Of HTML element. Okay.
yes.
And by default value of box sizing?
Content
Box. Okay.
yes, sir.
What is the box model?
Sir, every HTML element is a box model who contain padding, border, and content.
Can you elaborate it?
Sir, padding means the space between content and border.
Yes.
and border separator between margin and padding.
What is the display none and visibility hidden?
Display none, sir. HTML element get removed from UI in display none, in display none, and it affect the structure of UI. And in visibility hidden, there is HTML element is hide from user, not remove, and it does not affect on UI structure.
Display visibility none hidden.
Yes.
What is the difference between inline and block element?
Inline and block element, sir. First I want to tell block, after then inline. Sir, block element occupy width about its parent, 100% of its parent. Block element, we can apply margin to the block element. We can apply height and width to the block element also, and it also start on new line. And in inline blocks, it accept width of its content. It always start on same line. We can apply left and right margin only, and we height and width cannot apply to the inline element.
What is the semantic tag?
Yes, sir.
What is the semantic tag?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay. What is the difference between HTML4 and HTML5?
Sir, HTML5 is the latest version of HTML, in which we support audio clip, add some new features like header, footer, article.
Tell me difference between ID, class, and tag selector.
Yes, sir.
Tell me difference between ID,
and
class, and tag
sir,
selector.
we give ID to some specific means it's different just one time, and tag we use tag name to give, and for ID we use hash symbol. For tag we not use any symbol, just tag name. Yes.
Which type of selector we use in CSS?
There are 5 types of selector: basic, combinator, attribute, and pseudo class and pseudo element.
Okay. Can you elaborate it each and every?
In basic selector, we have 4, that universal, tag, class, and ID. In combinator, there are direct child, sibling. In attribute, there are by using href value, we can apply CSS by star, dollar, and upward caret. In pseudo class, there are 3: hover, focus, and active. And pseudo element, it state particular part, that means first letter, first line, before, after. That is
Just share your screen and show me how to use general sibling combinator.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat the question?
How to use general sibling combinator? Just show me one example.
General.
Sibling combinator.
No, haven't checked. Sir,
Yes.
first adjacent sibling or all I know.
General siblings.
General,
General
general,
sibling
sir,
combinator, not
I don't
adjacent.
remember.
Okay. Which type of symbol you we use in adjacent siblings?
To adjacent, sir, we use plus symbol,
And
and for
general?
select all, sir, general, I don't remember.
Riddle.
Yes.
What are the list in HTML?
Sir, two list. There are two type of list. One is the order list and another is unorder list.
Okay. Suppose I want to color text color apply to each odd li element. How to use?
What, sir? I can't listen properly.
Suppose just create one unordered list.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose I want the red color to Rahul and Virat. How to apply? Not
Rahul
and
and
Rahul,
Rahul and Virat.
only Rahul and Virat.
Okay, sir. Sir, uh, can you repeat, sir, please?
I want to red color to Rahul and Virat. Only these two.
Sorry, sir, I'm confused.
Okay. No. Tell me what is the row span and call span?
Row span and call span. Means what, sir? What? I can't understand question.
What is the row span and call span?
Row span. Row span is a horizontal and the call is vertical. We can give column CSS and also
What is the purpose of row span and call span?
row span, column span. To give a tabular form.
Okay.
Sorry, sir, I'm confused. Not sure.
Okay. Which type of positions we use in HTML?
Sir, we have 5 types of position used in HTML. First is static, relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky.
And by default position?
Static is a by default position.
Okay. Hello, Rishi.
Nice.
Yes, I am done.
Okay. Okay. So yes, Nagesh.
Yes, sir.
So if you want a glass of water, you can take it.
Yes. No, thanks.
Okay. So tell me what is JavaScript?
Sir, JavaScript is nothing but a programming language which is a lightweight and object oriented. Lightweight means it consumes less data, and object oriented means everything in JavaScript is object except primitive data types.
Okay.
Yes.
And Okay. So tell me what is first class function?
First class functions are we pass uh, function as a value. Sorry, we use the function as a value, sir.
Yes, correct. Okay. And what is hoisting in JavaScript?
Hosting means, sir, all the declaration in the scope get shifted at the top of the scope.
What is scope?
Scopes means availability and accessibility of any declaration.
Okay. And how many types of scopes are there?
Sir, we have two types of scopes. First is global and second one is local.
Okay. What is the difference between them?
Sir, global scope means uh, scope all the in global scope means, sir, the it is the web page in which include all the our codes. We can execute all our codes. Web page on which we execute all our codes. It's a global, and local means, sir, we write code between a blocks like curly bracket.
You know the concept, but there is some mismatch. Okay. So
Yes,
read it properly afterwards.
yes.
Okay. So tell me what is math?
Math, math is a object, sir. Math is the object for using a mathematical operation.
Yes, correct. Okay. And
I have not done practice.
yes, fine. Nothing will happen. Okay. So what is the difference between slice and
Yes, sir.
what is the difference between slice and
Slice
splice?
and
Splice.
slice and slice.
Yes.
Yes. Uh, Slice means, sir, it cut a specific part of a string,
Yes.
and slice means we can add or remove element from array.
Yes. Correct. Okay. So okay. How do we count a length of a string?
Sir, by using a property
Which property?
string string dot length,
Okay.
string name dot
And
length,
how do we calculate the length of the array?
array name dot length, sir.
Yes. Okay. So tell me how many types of data types are there in JavaScript?
Sir, we have two data types, primitive and non-primitive. In primitive, we have string, number, boolean, undefined, null, etc. And in a non-primitive, we have object, function, array.
What is a function?
Function is nothing but the relationship between input and output.
Okay, so this is the definition.
Sir, function means a block of reusable codes
Yes. Okay.
we can use.
Okay. It can be a
Yes,
yes part of code which is written for executors specific task. Okay.
yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. So next, what is object?
Object object means, sir, we can store multiple relational data or information in the form of key and value pair and separated by column.
And tell me, what is a constructor?
Constructor is nothing but, sir, blueprint of object. With yes, sir, blueprint of object.
Yes. So tell me why we call everything in JavaScript is an object.
Sir,
Basically, what is an object?
object object means, sir, it's types, data types.
Okay. So o- object is nothing but what? Some instance. So what we write is everything is already there. Just we are using the instances. As we take let keyword, it is a keyword, and we take a variable, correct?
Yes, yes,
By something, some variable we will take. So that is already predefined. Okay. Just we are taking
yes,
the name, that is a syntax that already written after let variable will come. Okay.
yes,
So
yes,
that variable we are writing is a object.
yes.
Object is nothing but an instance of a class. Okay. Okay. So tell me, if I want to print today's date, how will I do that?
Sir, by using new date
Yes.
math, sorry, sir, new date.
Yes. Okay. And okay. Um, do you know how to reverse a string?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So share your screen, take one string and reverse it.
First, we convert, sir, string into array because we don't have a method to convert direct string in reverse.
Yes, correct.
By using like split method, we can convert string into array. I want to check, sir, if it is working or not. Yes.
I think you are missing something or you are checking. You can use another way also.
Yes, sir. By using for loop.
You can use that also.
Yes, sir. Should I?
Take your time. Don't be panic. Okay. It will take time.
Sir, by using this method or another?
Your wish, you can use any way and you can make a string reverse. Show me the output. What is the output in reverse array?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have reversed it, correct?
Yes,
Just
sir.
you have to convert it into a string.
String, yes, sir. By joint method. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so explain me the whole code, what you did.
Sir, first I have convert string into array because we don't have any method to convert string, sorry, reverse string. That's why I convert string into array by using split method. After that, I convert array. Sorry. Then I reverse array, and after that, reverse array convert into string.
Yes, this is because we have directly reverse method on array, not on
Array,
string. Yes,
not on string. Yes.
yes. Okay, I will send you one array, okay, or
Yes, sir.
just take one array of ages.
Okay.
Yes, take one array of ages. No, I am not sharing. You only take one array and some random ages inside that.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. So you have to delete 36 inside this array. So tell me, how will you do that?
Uh, Sir, by using splice method.
Splice method, correct? Okay.
Yes.
But what you have to do is um, delete it by indexes. If I will say you to delete 25, so
Uh,
25 should be deleted like that.
mm, yes.
So write a function which takes the any age. If I will say 30, we'll pass in that function 30 and 30 will be deleted from the array. Yes, you said the
Can
correct
you
way.
repeat, sir, question?
Yes. Okay. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So what you have to do is create a function. Okay.
Okay.
Inside
Yes,
that,
sir.
if I will tell any age, if I will tell 25, you have to call that function. Inside that, we have to pass 25 as a argument.
Okay, sir.
25 will be deleted.
Okay, sir.
Next time when I am calling, I will pass 20.
Okay, sir.
20 will be deleted, like that. You can use for each now. We have array.
Mm. Index. I'm a little bit confused. I want to try.
Yes. No, no. First, you have to find the index of
Oh,
that number.
yes. Mm. Sir, first I want to without function and then add in function. Is it possible to do? I can do.
Yes, you have find it the index. Okay, call that function. You will get the index.
Yes, sir, but I want to do first without function.
No, no, no. Just you did the correct way.
Yes, sir.
Remove that another.
But I want to check there is I got index number of current or not.
Yes, call that function. Delete array after 20 at the 21 line. Call that array delete array. Okay, and pass the
Arguments.
yes 25 or something which you want to delete from that array 25. Correct. So here you have passed the only
Index number.
index. New number is not necessary. We are not adding console is there. Keep that console there.
Okay.
Control Z. Yes. Okay. So new number is not. Why you are taking new number at 17 number line?
Sorry, sir.
Remove that new number.
We don't have add any value.
Yes. Okay. And pass the array name also in 22 number line. Yes. Okay. Now console. Open console. No, no. You have console at the 19.
Okay.
No need to console here. Okay. Because we are not returning. Okay.
Yes.
So what happened? Some I think spelling mistake is there.
Spelling mistake.
Copy that and paste directly function name.
Yes, sir.
Copy no directly copy at 17 number line. Copy and paste at 20. Okay. So you got the index
Yes, sir.
number.
Index
So by
number.
that you can delete.
Delete. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So okay. Uh, yes, you can try. Start.
Okay.
Okay, check in the Chrome. What you used as a result. Result is not defined. The error. Okay.
Spelling mistake.
So okay. Yes, you will get an empty array. Just print directly array. Remove that late result. Okay, we'll make it simple. Just console array ARR at the 21 number line. 21, 21.
Yes. Sir.
25 is not deleted, no?
Yes.
Okay. So you can try this, take one array, store it, because you take directly result, you have to initialize it with the array. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So bye.
Okay.
We are end with your interview. So do you have any questions for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any suggestions, sir?
Yes, you are good in the interview. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to make more efforts. Okay. You
Yes.
have to practice more.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So
Yes.
you will get that. This is your first interview and it is a best. I think
Yes.
it is a best first interview. Okay.
Thank you,
So
sir.
I want
Sir,
a good improvement in the next interview as the technical. Okay.
yes.
Because you are good in personal interview and all. Okay. Just,
Yes, sir.
yes, just practice more. Okay. Try to practice
Yes, sir.
interviews also. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
yes. Bye.
Bye, sir.